Hi there, this is minilock, and welcome to the 59th episode of Minilock Monday. Now, this little 20mm, I think it's we've got there 1, 2, 3 pin master lock was given to me a wee while ago by the Irish Lockpicker. I will put a link up here to Peter's channel. If you're not already subscribed, head over there and yeah, subscribe to his channel. So let's see if we can get into this one. And there we go. I'll use this wire tensioner, top of the keyway, and a shallow hook. So, pin 1, and there we go. So I think pin 3, this high lift there, don't think that needed setting, but I set it anyway. And then yeah, pins 1 and 2 are both a very similar cut. So yeah, no bother. I didn't feel any counter rotation or spools. I'll get another pick and see if I can pick it differently. So I'll click on 1, 2. Oh no, so 3 did need to be set. There we go. Master, a little 20mm. Oh, course stuck. There we go. So yes, thanks for that, Peter. Nice little master lock. I don't actually have all that many master locks in my collection. I've got a what is it? This one here, the 230 and Magnum, and I've got a little chrome plated sort of 30mm or 25mm version of one of these. Now this one, beautiful padlock, but a terrible core. I think it's one of these crimped cores. You can get them. It's just a little bit of a faff. And what I did was I had a rattled Lotto. So I took the spools, and I think this lightly serrated pin out of the Lotto, and popped it in there just to make it pick a little bit more interesting. Yeah, and that's the other. I've featured this before. This does contain spools, this one does not. So, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.